Welcome to another video. It's Smile, you're on TV and I am in the shed again. Yes, it's another Sunday morning and it's still bloody cold. And when I say it's another Sunday morning, it's exactly the same Sunday morning as last time I did the video. Otherwise I'd be stupid, wouldn't I? Anyway, let's get into it. The thing I wanted to show you is the R9T again, and you may or may not be interested, but the question is, who puts exhausts on a motorcycle like that? Yes, I know the answer to the question. It's those who like to look forward to tinnitus, because it is loud as hell. Loud. I've already got a ringing in my ears and I haven't even started the damn thing this morning. I'm not likely to as well. And I'm telling you, the original one's going back on. Why? Because I'm old. That's why. Okay, the grumpiness follows. Right, this is a GP S1 Pro Race exhaust, and yeah, basically what that means is I'm old. I am old. I mean, I don't know, shall I leave it on for a little bit longer and wear earplugs and annoy the neighbours? Yeah, probably a good idea. But anyway, I'm thinking about replacing it. What do you think? Should I? Because I've bought the hanger which comes off of here. I'll show you that now. There it is. There it is. There's a song there somewhere. Anyway, there it is. It's a CNC piece, and all it does is it bolts on there. I can't do it. I haven't got enough hands. It bolts on just there, and then it goes up to there. And then the exhaust, which is over there, hangs on there. And then it all hopefully gets quietened down a little bit. These R9Ts, I have to say, I don't know whether you've got one, but bling, bling, bling. I have to tell you, you can spend a fortune on these things. Now, lucky I bought this one with many of these bling things on it. And that means I probably haven't got to spend an absolute fortune. But I tell you, there's things out there. You can change the colour of that. That can be gold. You can put these end bits on. You can put these bits on, option 719s. You can change these bits. You can change these bits. You can change... Oh, don't know what happened there. And you can do many, many, many things, which has been done. And I've got... Oh, didn't know I'd got one of those. Look, I've got a little charger. Brilliant. Anyway, you can do lots of things. And one of the other things that I'm thinking of doing is, because I'm changing this exhaust, apparently, and you can Google this, you can get on these Akrapovic exhausts, somebody does different end caps for them. Why? I don't know. What do they look like? I have no idea. But why the hell not? So, yeah. Crazy stuff. So, answers down below. Should I change that? What does it sound like, you say? Well, let's find out, shall we? Right, I'm not doing this for long because, honestly and truthfully, it's bloody loud. But are you ready? Here we go. Oh, I hate this. Anyway, if you're watching in bed with your wife and your wife has just woken up from her snore, then she's not very happy with you, is she? Sorry. Anyway, there we go. After doing that very silly thing, like, subscribe, smash the button. Oh yes. Put those comments down below. Should I change the exhaust in another video? What do you think?